Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to create a 3D animal figures using the program Fusion 360. First of all, get a mouse on a laptop that has Fusion 360 installed on it. Then open Google Chrome and search your preferred image, but make sure it's a silhouette and it's simple. Make sure you download the image. Connect your mouse to the laptop and start the program. Using your mouse, hover over the insert box, then left click. Find the box attached canvas and look over for select image. You will be prompted to select your image and import your saved image into Fusion 360. Once the image has been imported into Fusion 360, select a side so that you can see the front of the image. Navigate to Sketch and look for Spline. As you can see, I will be importing the line into Fusion 360. Now I will use Spline tool to create a line around the line. Once you have finished that, click on Stop Sketch. Find the canvas box all the way to the left side of the screen. Then click on Home icon located in the right top corner of the screen. Navigate to Create and left click. Another box will pop up showing you all the tools that you can use. But right now we only need to focus on Extrude, which you can enable using a shortcut E. Hover onto the line shape that you have created and left click. There will be a white box asking you the dimension that you want the line to be in. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Use your preferred dimension. Do not stress if you get it wrong because the dimension can be adjusted before printing. Navigate to the box beside Create, called Modify, and click on it. Find the tool that's called Filled, which can also be enabled using a shortcut F. Click on the edge of the line and type your preferred selection. Save the file. Locate the file icon on left click. Insert an SD card into your laptop and save the file on the SD card using a 3D printer program. As you can see, this is our final design. As you can see, you have to sandpaper it a bit, but then it will be fine.